My name is Dean DeRoff, and I'm the owner here at Kumler Collision and Automotive.
I am Jeff Slagle. I am working here at Kumler Collision, and I'm an estimator here. When we were shopping for paint booths, we really liked the quality and the features of the Garmat booths. When we installed the two new Garmat paint booths, we went with a larger cabin size. The kind of work that we have here in our market, we do a lot of pickup trucks, and the beds are off. And so we used to have to do two separate booth cycles for one job. Now we're able to take the pickup truck and the bed and put them both in the same booth cycle together. So that's been a huge improvement on our production.
So it's helped our productivity a lot. It's helped us move cars through here faster. The newer booths are so efficient, and with these larger booths it costs less gas, natural gas, to bake a car now as they did with the smaller booth because they're so efficient. They move air extremely well and very uniformly over the car. So we have constant uniform drying over the car. So when we pull the car out of the booth and do anything, we can go to repair on it, work on it right away. Service has been great. If we have an issue, we have them on a maintenance contract, so they come in every 6 months, just check everything on the booths. It's important that they're up and running and working well every day. And Garmat's done a really good job of doing that for us. So yeah, we're very happy.
I would definitely recommend Garmat to any other collision center. It's been great for us, and I think that anybody that would take a look at it would find that it serves them very well. It'll help them be a very strong competitor in this market and in this industry.